The coin market cap is used to summarize everything that is said in this movie. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to my station to get more XRP news and news about other cryptocurrencies. Now look at this possible deal between Ripple and SEP and a lower fine for XRP. Before we go any further, there is a new crypto airdrop going on Telegram right now. It will start on the 28th of this month. Make sure that you take part in this airdrop. Just below the movie, there is a link. Do not miss this. Let's watch more of our movie. Lawyers argue about whether the case between Ripple and the SEC will end in a deal and whether XRP fees should be lowered. One of the most important factors that will determine the result is the ICO holder. The ongoing court dispute between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) doesn't look like it will end anytime soon. No matter what, recent talks have shown that a deal or a smaller fine might be possible. Legal experts like attorney Jeremy Hogan have spoken out about the issue, which has opened up exciting new possibilities for the future of Ripple and its ongoing fight over the status of XRP. There is a chance that Ripple will settle with the SEC. Hogan, who is known for his in-depth research of the case, recently brought attention to an important part of the ongoing court drama. One important thing to think about is the chance that Ripple will agree to a fine less than $125 million. Even though this deal would help Ripple in some ways, it would also make people very skeptical about the court's first fine. Law experts have said that a settlement could make the court's decision less reliable if the Securities and Exchange Commission agrees to a punishment that is less severe than what was first suggested. James Murphy, another important figure in the law world, says that Ripple may have some power in this case. Murphy talked about the ongoing cross-appeal in the case. This appeal looks into whether Ripple's sales of XRP to institutional buyers could be considered investment contracts under the securities laws. He pointed out that this important issue could be the main point of Ripple's defense and could lead to a lighter sentence, especially since the court hadn't given this claim much thought in its first decision. The Howey test was used in the Ripple case. Murphy used the Howey test, a major standard used in a securities law, to illustrate the difference between the Ripple case and other assets that are used to determine whether or not an asset is an investment contract. Murphy's comparison says that Ripple's sales of XRP are like traders buying oranges at a discount and then selling them for a profit. Whatever the value of the goods or services being sold, Murphy says the most important thing to remember is that these deals may not actually be purchases in Ripple itself, no matter how much money is involved. This argument might make the difference in whether the court decides to lower the fine or try to reach a deal. There is some uncertainty about the changes in SEC leadership during the ongoing hearings. There is also a lot of guesswork about possible changes in SEC. Gary Gensler, who is head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, could be put under more political pressure, which could make him step down. It's possible that such a move will have big effects for the end of Ripple's case and other major cryptocurrency lawsuits that are currently being heard. What does Ripple want to do next? Some lawyers believe that the Ripple CC case and other cases involving cryptocurrencies might be able to reach a deal by the end of 2025. It is likely that Ripple's legal team will keep looking into all the options that might lead to a good result, such as the possibility of settling. There is still a lot of attention on the cross-appeal and how the court will read Ripple's sales of XRP, which could be very important in the final decision. What happens with Ripple's current battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission will continue to have a big effect on XRP's future. But because of these events, Ripple's legal plan might change in the next few months. Now, $1.5 million is going to the Ripple Foundation. A recent positive court ruling about the ongoing C case has brought it a lot of attention. The price of XRP has gone up since hearing the news. The price of Ripple went up by $0.85 in just 24 hours, which shocked the community. The market is hopeful that a court case will be resolved soon, which has helped the cryptocurrency continue to grow. While the price of XRP keeps going up, Ripple vs. C might come to an end. At the same time, Gary Gensler sounds like he might resign during his Thursday speech. There was a passing mention of Gary Gensler's exit, which caused the price of XRP to rise significantly. With crypto-friendly rules and a new chair of the SEC, the Ripple vs. CC story is likely to come to an end soon. This could cause the price of XRP to rise in the coming weeks. This event is expected to happen soon after Donald Trump wins the race. Aspirations for the Ripple community have also been raised by the court's decision in the class action lawsuit. The reason for this is that the foundation has already won a big legal battle over the claimed unregistered sales of securities, as the trial for final judgments is set to happen on January 21st. Many experts believe that Ripple will do well in the future. The price of XRP has gone up by more than 45% in the last week due to rising market optimism and activities linked to development. Charles Hoskinson has also said that he is in talks with Ripple's CEO. This has led to rumors that Ripple and Cardano might work together. The use of blockchain technology by banks is another thing that is making the price of XRP go up. The main reason for the expected court settlement with the SEC is that it will allow the price of XRP to rise again. The trade volume has gone up by 112 in the last 24 hours. This means that there are a lot of whales in the market, which, based on charts and market patterns, should be a good sign. If the price of XRP keeps going up this week because of good factors, a $1.50 rise is very likely to happen. Pakistan, the DTX exchange, continues its record-breaking press-out rally that it has been having this year. This comes after the successful end of its Batch 4 pre-sale and subsequent pre-listing on CoinMarketCap. The project is picking up speed as a possibly game-changing trading platform that will help traders make more money and get the most out of their investments. With almost $7.8 million, the DTX exchange has reached the 5th stage of pre-sale. This was made possible by the launch of its cutting-edge trading platform, which is meant to give traders the newest features in the industry. Traditional dealing has been taken to a higher level by DTX exchange. DTX exchange now has an edge over its competitors. The information given is not meant to be taken as trade advice. Any purchases made based on the information on this page are not the responsibility of the people who made them. Before making any investment decisions, you should definitely do your own study and talk to a professional who knows what they're talking about.